So we got the radiator out, and the battery, and the air intake. And now it's just dripping. Drip drop. This is our first project car. We got it for $200. It's a 1998 Honda Accord EX.
It is the 4-cylinder, not the 6-cylinder, because the EX model actually does come in the 4-cylinder and the 6-cylinder. It's a 2-door coupe too.
Yeah, it has the sunroof and everything. We're planning on getting it to go quicker than the WRX. I'm gonna stomp this guy.
So that's it. Check this out. Welcome back to Weedz Garage. We're excited. We've got this new project car. We just announced it to you guys yesterday, and Jeremy just told you our goal for this car is to have it running up at Bandamere come springtime, and we want to run faster than the WRX did the first time out. And with the WRX the first time out, I think the quickest time we got was a 15.5. Yeah, it was 15. So we definitely want to break into 14s with this the first time out. And I think we could do it. So here's the problem. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, you definitely should do that. We're going to make sure that there's a link up there.
Right here. Over his face.
Yeah, right over there. Right here. But here's the thing. Cylinder number 4 has no compression. So we don't know what's wrong. We don't know if it's a ring, a piston. We don't know. So we don't know if we're going to have to rebuild this or if we're going to have to swap it.
Yeah, there is an oil leak by the 4th piston. We're not sure if that's the cause of it though.
First thing obviously to do with the car is we want to go ahead and start pulling it apart. We're going to have to pull the engine. At this point in time, we have no hoist. We're limited to some tools at this point in time. But first off, we do need to get everything prepped to go ahead and pull the motor. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. We're going to go ahead and cut to a time lapse of us starting to pull this apart. First, we're going to take the hood off to make sure it's easier to get to everything. And then we're going to go ahead and start pulling things out that we need pulled out. We've got bags with a Sharpie so we can go ahead and label everything, set everything to the side. That way we all know where it goes back when we put it all back together and go from there. So let's cut to it. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, we got the hood off. We've got easy access, so we can go ahead and start taking things apart that we need to take apart. We do want this to also be a regular driver on the street, at least starting out. So we're going to go ahead and jump to taking the air cleaner off. First we're going to disconnect the battery, start taking the plugs off. The wires are already marked, and start taking some of these other engine parts off, take the radiator off, take it out, coolant bottles, stuff like that. That way we can go ahead and start disassembling under the hood. Yeah.
It's Weed on the beat. the beat.